Here's a city, here's a casino I don't see anything of. Crystal Palace. And I'll explain it all in a minute. Crystal Palace. So we're gonna walk down this street and there's gonna be some more casinos as well. But we're gonna start on this one. And over there is Lisboa. So okay, stay tuned. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so straight down that way, there's kind of this big spot where the buses basically come, and there's Lisboa right here, and then this one's called Crystal Palace, and it has kind of a similar design, just yellow and white. It's really similar to Lisboa. Oh, actually, it is part of Lisboa. Crystal Palace Casino, and then here's Lisboa. Okay, Hotel Lisboa. Lisboa Casino is around the front entrance is there, and I guess this Crystal Palace is something connected to it. So, okay, well, you learned something new. And we're just gonna walk down this major strip of casinos. As you can see, there's a Wynn to the left, Star World Hotel over there, Lisboa with its kind of funky designs, and then I guess Crystal Palace must be maybe a restaurant or some part of this particular building right here. And in the evening, this all is illuminated and it's pretty colorful, but it's daytime right now, so it's just as it is. This one right here is called Paradise Compact Casino. This one has a bar up top. I don't know if you can see all those yellow lights right there all the way along. That's an entire the bar is on this corner, and it's like goes all the way down on this side, and then I think the other ones are restaurants, but basically you can sit outside and overlook everything from that viewpoint. So okay, so that's compact. There's a flag, there's see that green flag? It says Macau and then the China flag. So where those flags are stationed, that's where the compact bar is at. So that's the Grand Lisboa and the Wynn, and the MGM's on the other side of that, Star World. So just to kind of cement those things in there for you. There's some other bars down here. There's San Francisco Garden is down there, and then the racetrack, when the Grand Prix comes through, it comes right through here, and they usually put a stands right there, right in front of that green park right there, but they'll have it in the road, more or less. So okay, so now you kind of get an idea of how it's all set up. So okay, some of these shops they're kind of like pawn shops, is my understanding. So they buy and sell watches and jewelry, so you can lose a bunch of money, sell it there, and then try to win it back later, technically. And I think it's also, I feel like it's also kind of like money laundering as well, but I'm not 100% sure about that. This is the entrance into the compact bar, casino, I mean, and the bar as well. So yeah, then in the middle, there's this, I have filmed in there before, but I think it's kind of closed off at the moment because of COVID. So, but if you're in that park, it's kind of cool because there's gates on both sides, so you're kind of, you know, there's like traffic on both sides and gates on both sides, so you're kind of isolated in that little space right there. So all that little green strip, and it goes all the way down almost to that end of this, where all the green grass trees are at. So that entire thing right there, all of that is all the park, all the way down to that glassy sphere there. And if you go inside that glassy sphere, you can actually get up to the top inside of that. It's pretty amazing. New construction. And then that little building right to the left of that, that's also actually in Zhuhai, China. So this is all Macau casinos, and let's just see here. So okay, so we're kind of sandwiched between these two casinos. Compact. I can't remember the name of this one. We'll come up to the front in a minute, and we'll see what it is. Let's see what this guy is all about. I don't know. Okay, so seafood, hot pot. Didn't know the name of this one. Looks like it's just a building. And then we have President Casino there. Actually, I don't know if the guy. trying to catch the bus. So sometimes they'll see the bus, and that 22 bus goes to the border, goes all the way up to Zhuhai. So a lot of times you'll see these guys are working in Macau, and they're trying to get back home, I guess at the end of the evening or the end of the shift. So, and I think that that border is open now for workers to go back and forth if they have the permits and such. Okay. So yeah, they're trying to catch those buses there. A lot of those buses go to the border. This one right here, you can go underground and come out over in front of Wynn Casino right there. So some people will walk down like this guy. Some of them are walking to their parking garage. Some of them are just, there's President Casino. Just for your references, Avenida de Amazade. Amazade? Amazaj? Yeah, actually in the past, it's all COVID, so everything's quiet. But in the past, I used to see like this bar, I think used to like attract, it looked like there were like transvestites or something like that. They used to hang out in front of that sometimes and try to solicit customers. Haven't seen that in quite a while, so I don't know what happened. But so now we're waiting for that red light, and then we're gonna walk over on that side, and there's MGM, there's Wynn, there's some more casinos down there, landmark casinos down that way, and now we got our green light so we can walk across now. So yeah, there's kind of a string of other casinos. Sands is down there as well. Let's just see what this is. So I think this is just like going in for parking. So actually, this parking space is also connected to the one that, you know, people can walk under, but you can also park your cars in here as well. In there's a bunch of, there's some casinos like this one, President, Compact, Lisboa, Crystal Palace, I guess it was called, Landmark. These are all like really low-end budget casinos. And then in this area right here, there's a bunch of like gold and pawn shops selling gold, jewelry, watches, things like that. And then we come over on this side, we can see Star World. And actually this park is actually open. I haven't seen this open in quite a while. So yeah, art garden, garden of art, garden of the arts. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is the whole strip of casinos right here too. Star World. So I guess we're gonna end it with Star World. I did another video where I did film down in this area. I think I've done a lot of different films now, so hopefully you can kind of put stuff together a little bit. And I'm gonna create a whole other film where I walk down in this park. So let's just end this one right here. Chiquinha, chiquinha.